Hello, friends. I haven't done a video from home for quite a while. I was away in Europe for all of April. Had a lovely time in Eastern Europe and Scotland and England. Um, but something has caught my eye in the rugby world, which I want to comment on. So let me share what I've read. Hold on a minute. Uh, there we are. Whoops, I don't want that. Oh, go away. That's that. Yeah, that's it. Japan suspends rugby coach Eddie Jones 6 weeks for verbally abusing match officials during under 23 tour. May 14th, 2026. Japan rugby coach Eddie Jones was suspended for 4 matches and had a salary reduction Wednesday for verbally abusing match officials during the under 23 team's tour of Australia last month. That'll be April, right? Jones said he accepted the sanctions given by the Japan Rugby Football Union, acknowledging his inappropriate remarks caused discomfort to local match officials and other related parties. I would like to offer my sincere apologies to everyone involved, Jones said in a statement. I deeply regret my behaviour and words and will make every effort to ensure that this doesn't happen again. Along with the financial penalty, Jones was suspended from head coach duties for the national side for 6 weeks, April 24th to June the 5th. So he's in the middle of that now. He also was barred from attending or taking any part in Japan's next 4 games. Two against a Hong Kong China select team on May 22nd and 29th, one against the Maori All Blacks on June 27th, and then the team's opening Nations Championship match against Italy on July the 4th. Well, that's it. So I'm going to stop the share and just say what I think. Um, yeah, well, isn't that pathetic, Jones? I mean, how old is this man? He's over 60. I think he's looking at retirement. Um, and as far as I can see, the sooner he hangs up his whistle or whatever the coaches have, and just retires, the better. But I think if I were the JRFU, um, I would think very seriously about whether he should be replaced. Now, probably that would involve financial penalty. There'd be some kind of contract clause, which means paying Jones a lot of money, which would no doubt delight him. He likes money, I think. And you know, but I don't see any other way out. Well, you can carry on with him, but he's pretty much as far as I'm concerned, he's a lame duck coach. Now I'm planning to go to the World Cup in Australia next year, and one of the games I had in mind to see was Japan-France. But honestly, if Jones is in charge, I can't see things going very well at all. Anyway, that's just my tuppence. Um, I could thump the table and get angry about it, but I don't think I want to waste my energy to that extent. I thought I'd just have my say anyway. Well, thanks for listening, and catch up with you later. Cheerio.